Welcome to Drink of Thoughts.
What are we doing today? Monster Truck Fights Part 3?
Yeah.
First up, Gravedigger and Brick Yardley.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you have to knock him over like a wheelie.
Okay. This guy's gonna come help out. Brick Yardley win.
Da, 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 da. Hey, look, Big Lolly.
Yeah.
Big Lolly.
Did Brick win?
Yeah, Big Lolly win.
What are we doing next?
Ridiculous forces. Nah!
Well, that was amazing. I got a monster truck on my head. No, I got Brick Yardley on my head.
There's monster truck on I got Big Lolly.
Brick Yardley.
Bye bye from Dig Up Toys. I'm gonna kill it for you.